Hello everyone and welcome back. This is day one of building the shelter to film Marten in the Welsh forest. So here we are arriving in the spot where I captured the Marten. So there's one of my trail cameras which has been out for 2 weeks. And this area on the tree where the black mark is where I've been leaving the strawberry jam. And here's another one of the cameras. And then the other one over there on the tree. Now we're here at the area. Me and Mabel are going to have a quick little break and have a chill out before we start making the shelter.
That's some good stuff. Right, let's get some work done, shall we? Work done. This is where my camera's going to be set up. And I'm going to build a shelter with this and then see how we go.
Now that's all been cleared away, now I've got a base ground for the shelter. Now after that tiny little break, it's time to build a support frame for the shelter. Now they've been cut into shape and size, it's time to put them into the ground. So now they're both in the ground, it's time to tie them up. And there we are guys, we got the first part of the frame done, and to be honest with you, it's pretty sturdy and it's not looking bad so far. Well, it's not quite the avocado and poached egg, but I can assure you this is not dog food. This is literally meatballs and baked beans in a tin. After all that work, you could say I was quite desperate for that desperado. think Mabel's a little bit worn out for all that running around in the woods, so she's got a bit cold, so I put a blanket over her.
Excuse me? You hungry? You hungry? Yeah? Alright, carry on cleaning. Go on, carry on cleaning. You little cutie, come here. Good girl. Yeah, clean it. Thank you.
So after food, guys, me and Mabel cracked on with the work and we got the majority of the frame done. So here's a quick little tour of what we have done so far. Well, I think Mabel's had a bit too much of those desperados and now she's having a full-time blowout with some zoomies.
Having fun? Are you having fun? Yeah? Okay.
So my bag's all packed away and I think me and Mabel had had enough for today. So I'm a little bit gutted. I did believe that this tarp on the roof was bigger, but it's okay. I got a bigger one at home which I'll bring next time. So with this small one, I'll use it for the sidewalls to give us that extra bit of protection from the rain. Now we see what the outside looks like so far. Let's have a look in the inside. So that's the end of the video of building a shelter to film a pine marten in the Welsh forest. So if you want to keep up with my story, hit that subscribe button, stick a thumbs up if you liked the video, and have a good day, guys.